Nowadays, we're hearing more and more stories about cars fitted with all the latest security systems, but still getting stolen. Keyed and keyless entry systems are getting smarter by the day, but it appears that automotive thieves are always one step ahead of the game. However, there's no getting ahead of UKCC and their state-of-the-art Autowatch Ghost immobiliser system. Okay, so it's not actually their system, but they will professionally install it for you at a time and place of your choosing. The immobiliser works by utilising a bespoke 4 to 20 digit entry system within the vehicle, activated by the interior function keys. Or you can activate your car with the use of an app linked to your smartphone. The Autowatch Ghost immobiliser is the next generation technology against vehicle key cloning, key theft and jamming or blocking key fob signals. Get in touch today and find out how you too can outsmart keyless entry vehicle thieves.